try this out. All the instructions there. There's 2 bowls inside. That comes out. Oh, I guess this is the water. They give you water. Rice. This must be the heat pack. Okay. This looks like a heat pack. Oh, like a hand warmer. Can't even do it. Okay. Looks like cat food. Doesn't smell good. It looks like cat food or dog food. Yum. Probably tasting as bad as airplane food. Okay, 15 minutes. There we go. And of course your airplane utensils. Your spork. Okay, 15 minutes from now, so a little after midnight. It's doing something. It's steaming. It's crazy, it's rated for 120 degrees. Yeah, that's pretty hot. Whew. Oh, I love sauna. It's like a little diffuser. Oh, this is actually nice. Just put your face here. Probably breathing in chemical. It's like those little beads you get every time you get the pills. In the little pill box, they give you a little bag of beads and they say don't eat it. Nope. All right. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, that's appetizing. Kitty, here you go. Kitty, come. Kitty, kitty, you can eat now. Even the cat doesn't want it. Look at this spork, it's heavy duty, it's so thick. Yum! Why do they cut it up like that? It's like cat food. You're joking, this is just cat food. Your mom ate this? I feel like the center's not cooked. Yeah, it's hard. It really does taste. The rice is good.
It's popular for a reason.
It still tastes artificial. It just tastes like it's been packed in plastic for too long.
I wouldn't eat it.
Just gonna dump it now. Looks like cat food. They got big pieces of mushroom, but the other little pellets are just like
There's no meat. There's no meat in there.
pork.
Pork flavor.
Pork flavored, whatever
No
it
meat.
is.
They couldn't put meat.
No. So it's probably some kind of, I don't know. I bet they have similar things in the army. If they can't make a fire or something. 真好吃. Oh. This reminds me of the episode in The Office when Dwight's eating all his rations. Every year he has to eat all his rations and refill them for his, I don't know, end of the world bunker.
I have the best stocked survival shelter in northeastern Pennsylvania, but everything has a shelf life, so I must eat and then replace everything that's about to expire. It's nice not to have to plan my meals.
But why he doesn't wait until it's over? Why he eat it?
No, because they expire every 3 years or something, so he has to eat them. He has to eat them all, not waste them. There's like big buckets of cereal and stuff like that. He has all this army food.
And then he restocking them.
And then he spends like the whole week or month eating all of his rations. He's like, I'm saving money anyway. It's not going to waste. He eats them before they expire and then he buys more.
And stock up for in the world. So just happen every 3 years and not every year.
Maybe 3 to 5 years, it depends.
The end of your stick dies out. There's only one hope left for you. The door to my shelter. You pound, you beg, Dwight, please let me in. But I ignore your cries and do not let you in.
So I'm doing what Dwight does. Gotta eat it before it expires. I can't get my mind around the fake meat, but if this was just mushroom and sauce, I would rather eat it.
It is.
Like a veggie one. Yeah, basically that's what it is, but in my mind I'm thinking, okay, they're trying to make a pork, but it's good rice. It's almost like the Japanese rice. I feel like I'm doing something wrong by eating something like this. But you're only you're afraid I'm gonna get sick? It's like a steam pot though. That's cool. Ooh, hot tub. Just the steam cooks it. It's very genius. Done. Just kidding. 같이 마. 같이.